Welcome to cimaselfstudy.com. In this video, I am going to talk about the CIMA certificate level. There are 4 levels in CIMA academic journey. First level is the certificate level. The second level is the operational level, then the management level, and finally the strategic level. You can visit the cimaselfstudy.com and you can get more information about the certificate level. I am going to click on this link, and it directed me to the content where all the necessary information about certificate level is available. Certificate level is the introductory level to the CIMA professional qualification. Main thing to know about the CIMA certificate level is that this level does not consider as a professional qualification level. This is the foundation level for the professional qualification levels yet to come. This level does not consist a case study exam. There will be 4 OTQ exams. After the completion of 4 OTQ exams, you will be awarded CIMA certificate in business accounting. These are the links which will direct you to CIMA free study material provided by this website. CIMA is given codes for each subjects. BA1 is for fundamentals of business economics. BA2 is the code for fundamentals of management accounting. BA3 is the code for fundamentals of financial accounting. And finally, BA4 is the code for fundamentals of ethics, corporate governance and business law. This link will direct you to the CIMA official website, where you can learn more about the certificate level. Going back to the website, there is one important thing to know before you start CIMA. That is, there will be exemptions for exams if you are eligible. This is how you can check your eligibility. Go to the bottom of this page and you will see an FAQ section. You see the last tab says, are there any exemptions for CIMA exams? Toggle this and you will see a link to CIMA official website. Click on this link and it will direct you to this page. There is a step-by-step guide CIMA has provided you so that you can find about your eligibility for exemptions. Please read through this and understand and apply if you think you are eligible. Going back to the certificate level content, I am going to show you how you can access the free study materials. You can simply click on these links. If you want to go to the BA1, which is the subject of Fundamentals of Business Economics, I am going to click on this link and it directed me to this page where all the necessary study resources are provided. You can scroll through this website and find the relevant information for your subject. Thank you for watching. All the best of luck for your CIMA journey. See you next time.